La 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 la. One man, three boats, Nina Pinta Santa Maria. We sail from Spain to find a fast way to China. Marco Polo was from Venice. He made friends with Kublai Khan. Started trading with the Chinese, silk and spices for everyone. But there's trouble in the Middle East, and we cannot get through. It's a slow boat round to China. What can we do? One man, three boats, Nina Pinta Santa Maria. We sail from Spain to find a fast way to China. Chris Columbus from Genoa says he thinks he knows a way. If we sail westward from Europe, then we're bound to reach Cathay. But we need someone to give us boats to start our westward dash. Royalty is always good for lots of cash. One man, three boats, Nina Pinta Santa Maria. We sail from Spain to find a fast way to China. Portugal does not seem interested, and Britain's kinda slow. So let's check in with the Spaniards, maybe they would want to go. Queen Isabella's a little cautious, and her scientists say no. So it's up to King Fernando, and he says go. One man, three boats, Nina Pinta Santa Maria. We sail from Spain to find a fast way to China. Okay, Chris, 3 ships to China, and we'll take all that you find there. Not so fast, make me an admiral, and 10% for all of my trouble. You really think that you can make it? Are you sure you're not trying to fake it? Trust me, King, if we move quick, I'm going to make you very rich. So Chris sailed westward from Spain, August 1492. 5 weeks sailing the Atlantic, crossed the ocean sparkling blue. But what he found was not Nippon, Siam or Cathay, but he called the natives Indians anyway. Welcome to the Bahamas. How you liking your cruise, man? One man, 3 boats, Nina Pinta Santa Maria. We sailed from Spain to find a fast way to China. One man, 3 boats, Nina Pinta Santa Maria. Hey there, Mr. Columbus, at least you found the way to the new world. Oh, thanks for that, man.